Welcome to my tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to connect to and encrypt your DNS server over HTTPS. Standard DNS queries are usually sent unencrypted over port 53. This means that your internet service provider, network operator, or other third parties can see which websites you visit. DOH encrypts DNS requests via HTTPS, port 443, the same standard port as normal websites. Advantages: privacy, protection against manipulation, secure access even in insecure networks, e.g. public Wi-Fi. Let's begin with the setup. Open the settings and go to the Network and Internet section. We click on Wi-Fi. Now we click on Internet Cafe properties. Here we search for DNS server assignment and click on Edit. We are switching the mode from automatic DHCP to manual. We enable IPv4 and enter our preferred DNS server. In my case, Cloudflare and Quad 9. We enable DNS over HTTPS and search for and select automatic template. Now we enter our alternative DNS and also select automatic template. Click Save. Congratulations, the primary and alternative DNS servers are now encrypted. And that's it. Now you know how to encrypt your DNS queries over HTTPS and significantly improve your online privacy. Remember, a secure DNS is a simple but important step to protect your data, especially on public networks. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share your setup. I'd love to hear from you.